Voici maintenant des exemples pour libérer votre créativité, mais attention, ils peuvent être très chers puisqu'il faut sous-traiter à des professionnels de l'animation. Il faut également passer beaucoup de temps à la scénarisation, ceci est un métier très difficile. Regardons ensemble quelques exemples qui vont libérer votre créativité. Internet. Les textes, images, sons, vidéos sont transférés par différents chemins. Et quand ces informations arrivent à un croisement, c'est un équipement appelé routeur qui va choisir le bon chemin. Alors pourquoi routeur? Parce que c'est cet équipement du réseau qui va choisir la bonne route. On dit qu'il route l'information dans la bonne direction pour qu'il arrive à sa destination finale.
The Earth spins like a top around the geographic North Pole, compasses point to the magnetic North Pole, which is actually a magnetic South Pole, and the northern lights are strongest in a ring around the geomagnetic North Pole, also a magnetic South Pole. All three North Poles move, too.
For example, if you are trying to persuade a number of teenagers not to smoke, the old attitudinal approach would concentrate on the negative health effects of cigarettes, addiction and cost. Some of these might hit their marks.
In 10 minutes. Chapter 1, Anglo-Saxon, or whatever happened to the Jutes. The English language begins with the phrase, "Up yours, Caesar," as the Romans leave Britain, and a lot of Germanic tribes start flooding in. Tribes such as the Angles and the Saxons, who together gave us the term Anglo-Saxon, and the Jutes, who didn't. The Romans left some very straight roads behind, but not much of their Latin language. The Anglo-Saxon vocab was much more useful, as it was mainly words for simple, everyday things.
The crisis of credit, visualized. What is the credit crisis? It's a worldwide financial fiasco involving terms you've probably heard like subprime mortgages, collateralized debt obligations, frozen credit markets, and credit default swaps. Who's affected? Everyone. How did it happen? Here's how. All of this works so that credit rating agencies will stamp the top slice as a safe, AAA rated investment, the highest, safest rating there is. Because of the AAA rating, the investment banker can sell the safe slice to the investors who only want safe investments.
We already know that the world is made of things. Things like cats and macaroni salad. And macaroni salad is made of things like mayo and mustard and celery, which are all made of molecules. As we'll see, these molecules are made of the same stuff, just mixed together in different ways. Let's go back to our macaroni salad. We've already unmixed things physically as much as we can. Now we'll go further and unmix things chemically by breaking some bonds. Many larger complex molecules are just a bunch of smaller molecules bonded together like building blocks. Here again, macaroni salad provides a nice example. If you look at the pasta, you'll notice it's made of a lot of this stuff. Starch, which is this molecule, otherwise known as amylose. Turns out, if you break some bonds, amylose is made up of smaller molecules of glucose, a simple sugar. If you take a bunch of these same glucose molecules and rearrange them in a different way, you get cellulose, which is what plants are made of. So, while this piece of pasta made of amylose and this wooden spoon made of cellulose look vastly different, they're both essentially made of the same molecules, just stuck together differently.